Hey guys, this is Flex and this is part 2 of the LED bulb installed in the Mercedes C-Class halogen headlights. So I'm about to start the car so you can see the headlights. As you can see, I lowered them since the last video, or adjusted them down so that way if they are pointing at a car, the highest it'll go is probably about a little below the side mirrors, so that way it doesn't produce any glare with oncoming traffic. And let me show you how I did that. So if you look behind the headlights, there's a circle right there with an Allen key. Just put an Allen key in there and twist it, and it will lower or raise the headlights. These headlights are set up, probably the highest is about half my thigh, which is not too high. Half my thigh is probably about right here of the side mirror. So you can see if it's beaming at a car, it's not gonna hit them right in the face. It's gonna be basically kind of car level. So let's take this out and drive around so you can see how it looks at night. Okay, here I am driving at night. We're under some street lights. So let me get to a section that has no lights. You can see the full performance of these bulbs. As you can already tell, it's super white, it's super bright. Just looks really good. There's no black spots, there's no dark spots, there's no crazy cutoffs on the side. There's really good visibility. So this area right here, there's no street lights, so the full bulb's performance is taking over. Looks really good. And I've actually been driving around for a bit and I haven't had a single person flash at me due to glare. There's some more driving footage. See that pitch black? Looks good. And also I want to let you guys know that after driving for a couple days, I still haven't received any bulb error issues whatsoever. So these bulbs work really well and the car is detecting them as a standard bulb. So you don't need to wire any warning cancelators, resistors, nothing. Just install the bulb and you're good to go. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions and comments, feel free to comment in the section below. If you like the video, definitely hit that thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.